As indicated by our Star Atlas cost forecast, the cost of Atlas is anticipated to drop by $0.000039 over the next 7 days, coming to $0.001413 by September 21, 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. In the event that you are looking for Star Atlas market conjecture, examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of Star Atlas may especially go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments, or so they thought. This cost forecast especially is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries. Will Star Atlas recover its all-time high in a significant way? What will Star Atlas, all things considered, be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase Star Atlas? Is Star Atlas presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this Star Atlas cost expectation conjecture, we will deal with different Atlas specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Star Atlas in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas financial backers have encountered returns of more than 0.41% on their venture this previous week, because of the bullish period Atlas essentially has encountered. In the wake of breaking down the specialized markers for Atlas, we really expect a slight revision could occur over the course of the following couple of days, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Underneath you can see the Star Atlas hourly, everyday, week by week and month to month cost expectations. These forecasts expect to provide you with a sign of what Star Atlas will be for the most part worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week and next month. The current cost of Star Atlas basically is $0.001453, and it sort of is as of now positioned number 643 out of all digital currencies. How much stock presently available for use for Star Atlas is 9,803,356,511, with an all-out market capitalization of $14,239,109, in an essentially large manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Star Atlas has expanded by 4.30%, which is very huge. Star Atlas has developed at a consistent speed throughout recent days, acquiring 0.41%. This increment has Star Atlas financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for this present week. Inside the absolute most recent 30 days, the cost of Atlas dropped by 7.91%, diminishing its past worth of $0.001577 by $0.000125. This current downtrend sort of implies that Star Atlas is in plunge right now in an unpretentious way. The cost of Star Atlas has in a real sense dropped by 7.24% over the most recent 3 months, killing $0.000113 from its past worth of $0.001566. Our Star Atlas market gauges are resolved, utilizing different machine-based calculations, which sort of break down different specialized pointers, for example, the General Strength List, RSI, Moving Normal Union Uniqueness, MACD, Moving Normal, MAMA, Normal Genuine Reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's, BB. The crypto market for the most part is known to be exceptionally unpredictable. Anticipating future price tags of Star Atlas is a troublesome errand, and a lot of different variables impact the cost. Thus, the expectations on our site shouldn't generally be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do essentially your very own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any speculation choices. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Star Atlas will sort of accomplish a greatest cost of $0.002615. As the market generally starts to recuperate, the essentially least expected cost is $0.001743, and the typical cost will drift around $0.002179. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. As Star Atlas proceeds to arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Star Atlas can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.004067, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.003631, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value Atlas can reach in 2024 is $0.003196. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we explicitly anticipate that Star Atlas should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across commonly numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $0.00552, averaging around $0.005084. Incredibly, Star Atlas could see an exceptionally least cost of $0.004648, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded development of capital in the crypto market, Star Atlas could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.006972 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.006537. In the event that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $0.006101. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of Atlas by nations all over the planet, Star Atlas can guarantee a by and large greatest cost of $0.008425 by 2027, with a sort of typical cost of $0.007989 anticipated. Besides, the extremely least cost for that very year could in a real sense see $0.007553. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Star Atlas reception will keep on ascending, with controllers starting to sort of acknowledge that crypto is here to remain. As a matter of fact, financial backers could really see Atlas arriving at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.009878 by 2028, especially followed by a base cost of $0.009006. The fundamentally normal cost for 2028 is supposed to by and large be $0.009442. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, sort of because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will see one more in every practical sense, significant bull, which generally implies that Star Atlas financial backers may really see Atlas truly accomplish a greatest cost of $0.01133 in a real sense, followed by a normal cost of $0.0